সেমিফাইনাল
U7 come.
No, Dimago, please, brother. I have an emotion for you.
This time
Please, brother, please.
I speak you the honest truth.
Okay.
Saturday is difficult for me to play.
Yeah, no,
everybody knows.
I know.
One day you possible. You one day you possible.
Why? Because of money. My God is my God. But I still
My request to you, please honor me.
देखो मारो देखो ঠিক আছে তোমরা কে ভাইও না ভাই আল্লাহর রাস্তায় চাই ভাই শনিবারে খেলাবে সামনে কেউ যাও না, দূর থেকে দেখো। বেশি আগ যেও না, আগ্রহ না, বেশি আগ্রহ না।
Kalapata, age is better. I suggested them. but they invite. I mean, Islam, Bangladesh goalkeeper. No. I tell him, but they, if I play Sunday, he will come. This is my advantage. I told them. They ate better, but they invite Aminul.
The subway is very, very difficult.
Whatever the difficult, you will try my best. Bro, this field one field. This field one field. Look. Hey, this tournament donor fly for UK. That's why they give us 7.
তোমরা আর বাচ্চা পাই
Okay, I will give you bonus. Don't worry. Bonus, no problem. I will give you, man. But please. Okay. Okay. Hey, Erade. Only 7. Hey, Abdullah.
This is final match. Oh, you did good man. No problem. You another match.
Okay. Hey, Ali, over phone contact. Oi. All the people want it. Okay? Please consider and I will consider it. Okay? That's the commitment. That's it.
You said 7 days contract. I have it also. Okay? I give another.
Hey.
Hey, দূর যাও না বে, তোরা দূর যাও। Last I give 1,000, semi-final 1,000, all-time 1,000.
Harabe.
Ah, bhai. Quarter final 1,000.
Hey, Harabe. Hey, Santi. Hey.
Bye, quarter. Hey. কত থাকো?
Okay.
সাগর দিকে সিটি Okay, you go. I call you.